took her old watch and put it back on the shelf. And then she concealed baby stuff.
Why are you doing all that?
Because of the prices and everything. This is my very first time, and I know it's wrong, and I'm embarrassed, and I'm so sorry. I just thought, well, maybe I can. And it was just a very bad decision. So.
Okay.
And we'll never happen again, I can assure you. I paid for big ticket items. That's all I can do. That's all I can do.
You're way too old to be doing this stuff. Be stealing stuff.
Police have been dispatched to a Walmart in Cobb County, Georgia, in order to investigate a woman that has been accused of shoplifting jewelry and other items and blaming it on the increased living cost in the United States.
Great day, sir. Thank you.
There.
You good?
Okay.
Sorry. I told you to stay, didn't I tell you to stay? Okay. Thank you.
What you got?
Watch again. They just taking watches today, so she took her watch off, put it on, and then she stole some baby stuff. He's doing a training too right now. Right now, the total is like 49 right now.
The book was like $8.24, and
And why are you doing all that?
Because of the prices and everything. This is my very first time, and I know it's wrong, and I'm embarrassed, and I'm so sorry. I just thought, well, maybe I can. And it was just a very bad decision. So.
Okay.
And we'll never happen again, I can assure you. Thank you so much.
Oh, actually, hold on, let me get a photo of that.
Well, that's my old watch.
I know, I gotta get a photo for evidence when I go to court.
Well,
Do I have to go to court? Because I have to listen to court.
you want to try to see if the sheriff's office will transport, and you're going to take the warrant?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
If the sheriff's office won't do it, I'll issue a CT, and she can turn herself in.
Do I have to go to jail?
He's about to check and see.
Oh my God.
4211. Can you see if SO is available for transport? Not for me, but for Walmart.
You have to go to jail, you gotta turn yourself in. You're gonna find out. So Walmart, we're prosecuting you for shoplifting. So I'm gonna prosecute.
I didn't say anything. Because it's like, I don't know anything.
So you're getting prosecuted for shoplifting.
Believe it or not, they've been doing it lately.
See you bye.
11, you can put 10 back in service. I'm code 4.
Oh
my God, I'm so sorry. I'm just nervous wreck because, like I said,
Spell your first name for me.
Patricia, Patricia,
B-U-N.
B-U-N-X-I-C.
I'm confused. She took the watch.
She took a watch out of our box and put it
not
on.
that one. That's
That's her, and she took her old watch and put it back on the shelf. And then she concealed baby stuff.
Destin, because I'm a daycare provider.
You just don't have the money to pay for it?
I do. I really wish that you would let me.
4211, they're 10-6.
What's your address?
4915.
10-4. The sheriff's office is busy.
Shocking.
So actually, I'm sorry. Let me write this down.
You're lucky.
not really, but you know, I understand.
Get there. Sheriff office busy, Cobb County busy. They got nobody to transfer you to jail, so they just gonna do a citation.
So-
Now, does that mean I go to
No,
jail on
she's
Monday,
gonna-
or can I mean,
We don't do citations for shoplifting. I figured are you gonna do a warrant?
I mean, that's what I gotta do because we
Yeah.
prosecuted.
So she's gonna take a warrant for you. Listen to me. She's gonna take a warrant for you. I'm gonna issue you a criminal trespass that says you're not allowed to come back to this Walmart ever. You'll be arrested on site.
okay.
Okay. And
Can I go to any Walmart? Or just
not this one.
Just me.
Not this one.
I understand.
Once she issues that warrant, you're gonna have to go turn yourself into the jail.
Today?
Whenever she does the warrant.
I'm doing it today.
So
I have 4 hours to
Okay,
do it.
is it the Cobb County jail? What jail am I going to? I have
So it's 4 hours if she goes to jail. They'll release her within 4 hours, but she's not going, so you can just do it as soon as possible. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So if it's not 4 hours is only if she
If
we
she was
actually
already
take
gone
her.
with y'all, yeah.
Yeah, because that's how long they'll hold her before they release her without a warrant.
Yeah.
You'll have me 4 hours today?
No. He's saying if you were already in the police car and I had to issue a warrant, I have 4 hours to go down there and get a warrant. If I don't do it in 4 hours, they release you. But because he's not taking you, I got to go down there and do my warrant myself. So I'm saying I'm doing the warrant today, so you have to just call and see, hey, is there a warrant for me for shoplifting with Walmart? If they say yes, then you turn yourself in,
On
bond
Sunday
out.
or Monday or
Whatever day. And if you don't, then they'll...
It'll catch up with you eventually. Is Surrey Drive still a good address for you?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, sir.
What's a phone number for you? Are you done with this?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do a report for the criminal trespass.
Okay. Once she decides.
Can I call you, Toby, or how am I going to know? I have to call the jail to see when my warrant.
You need to call the sheriff's office and ask
The
if you.
sheriff's office of Cobb County.
Yes,
Okay.
and then call them and ask them to run your name and date of birth, and then they'll tell you whether you have a warrant or not. And then you can go turn yourself in at the sheriff's office on County Services Road.
On County Services Road.
And if you don't, it'll catch up. You'll have a warrant out for your arrest, and eventually you'll be somewhere. You'll get pulled over. You'll be doing something, and you're going to end up having to go to jail in the middle of what you're doing.
Right,
So my
I
advice is to
understand.
plan it out as the best you can.
Right.
Take a day off. I don't know if you work, but
I do.
Yeah.
Monday through Friday.
well, then maybe
That's
try
a little
to.
different
I would try to turn yourself in as soon as she gets the warrant. And so I would call up there every 3 or 4 hours until the warrant comes through, and then go turn yourself in. I mean, really, you can.
Sign this form. It's a trespass form, just like, January 13th, 2024, you're not allowed with this property. Print your name and sign it.
Really, you can turn yourself at any police department, but the jail's the most direct way where you don't have to be transported and all that.
Code 8 to the Indiana on Markley Drive.
You have any tattoos?
Hey, man. Oh, my signature of parent, so no, that's not that.
No, just... Yeah, just touch it.
4211, keep us code 15.
Let's see what I should read. 1 second.
This I believe is under warranty. Rather than wait online, this is a return. I'm going to go get this battery over there, and then get back online.
2860 2860.
All right, thanks. Thank you. You're good.
God. 219, 29, you don't bro. I'll call them to the 19 clear, just confirming you guys, you're not involved. Yeah, we're on involved. It's going to be on line 41. Clear, you're involved, line 41. That way. 4203, I'm clear.
Check OL in for me.
Good.
Through Georgia 049365205. It should be on a Patricia subject.
Never. $79.59. Show me 10813's been removed. Never. $42.11.
Oh, so I don't even have to give you the CD.
Go ahead. No, it's all you.
All right.
Patricia subject returns on file 3 Drive in Roswell. C Charlie valid, negative 29.
10-4, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey Priscilla, what's your last name?
Baker.
Baker. Is it P-E-R?
P-R-I.
P-R-I. I can't spell it. P-R-I. Oh, there we go. I know we probably have you in a report somewhere from the other calls. Okay. 053. This will be easier to do this way. 88.
Football come on today? Is there a football game today?
I don't. It's tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow, no, some tomorrow.
Well, some of the playoffs are on Saturday. Actually, I think there are some today. Yep. I think there are some playoffs today. Some of the wild card games.
Okay. Alright, so you in the system for trespassing?
Do you want my case number?
Yes. And then,
Ready.
as soon as I key everything in here, then I go down and do the warrant.
I'll follow her off the property.
4219.
Where do you go to do the warrant? Downtown somewhere?
Get in and there was no
Where do
question.
you go to do
Well, I ain't telling you where I go do the warrant. You finna chase me.
Oh, okay. I mean, I'm just
There are no
asking because
collision. I will show you it.
2400
Hopefully you don't have to go far. That's all I get.
2860.
Dang, 2860 already. The year just started.
That's our citations and everything. It's
4218, I'll show you.
for the whole county.
Stand by.
Am I able to take
The thing is,
I put it right there. Yeah. So some other stuff that you didn't pay for. Notebook, the crayons,
4203, I'm clear. I'm negative 40.
markers. You didn't pay for that stuff. So we had like $60 worth of stuff that I paid for. 60.
49.28.
That's what he was at when I asked him. The total 60. Okay, so you're free to go.
4218, copy 87.
You're way too old to be doing this stuff. Be stealing stuff.
No,
This is my
fair.
very first time, officer.
2401 Cliff Drive.
Come on, Priscilla.
2401 Cliff Drive.
Sorry. Come on, Patricia.
Caller's advising her boyfriend's trying to evict her and her child. So needs an appointment. 41
All right.
wearing all black.
Sorry I couldn't do more, but
See you in a
we're
few.
pretty tied up still. So,
Yeah.
I guess sheriff's offices too.
Hey,
24/7. No pressure.
$20. I paid for big ticket items. That's all I can do. I'm so sorry.
There's no judgment.
Well,
Everybody make mistakes.
I did. It's my very first mistake.
We could try to send an email, see if some of the parents will donate some supplies.
care has taken the industry that I do is just awful.
793.
And you're right. I'm too old to
793.
do this.
I know you're trying to do it for a good reason, but it's still against the law, and you're still gonna have to go to jail for it.
I
So
understand, sir. I understand.
just luckily for you, it won't be at this moment. You can kind of pick your own time, but you need to get in and get out.
Well,
she's
before
gonna do the
Monday,
work today.
because I'll affect 12 working parents if I can't
Yep.
Monday.
Yeah.
That's why I said I'm gonna go do the warrant today. And
Thank you, ma'am. I do
Turn yourself in.
appreciate
By the end of the day, you'll be out by the morning. Okay.
it. Thank you, sir.
Bond is always more expensive than child supplies. That's my other advice.
What now?
Bond is always more expensive than
Yes, sir.
Desitin.
Yes, sir.
That's how you gotta look at it.
I just get it on the realms. And you're very good at what you do. So keep doing it.
Thank you. Well, I kept coming around you trying to distract you to get you to change it, so I kept like following you for a while.
I didn't
Usually
even
I
know
just-
it. It's like I said,
All right, come on, Patricia. Let's
I'll just get myself together for Thank you, ma'am.
Maybe I got a bunch of unbagged stuff out the list.
These are my balloons. I was wearing them. Well,
Okay.
$125.
Is any of this stuff hers?
Yeah, that's that stuff.
All this stuff she bought? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And you pay $125 for my stuff.
I know.
So I can
It's
keep
not
working.
right. Now, there's a lot of things that are wrong with this world, but it don't mean we can
I know,
steal.
it doesn't mean I need to. I understand,
I know.
sir. It just got the best of me.
I know it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. See you in the next one.